Let me show you how to connect your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 to any iPhone. So yep, what's cool, we can also use it with iPhone as well, not only Samsung or Android phones, but there are some limitations. So yeah, if you want to pair it, first make sure the case is open and also make sure the earphones are inside as well. And then you simply press and hold the button on the back of it. So you see you have tiny buttons that you can press, hold it for roughly 4 or 5 seconds. You'll see it start to blink in multiple different colors. Then on your iPhone, simply go to the settings, go to the Bluetooth settings, make sure it's on, and you see in the other devices it will appear here. So we can click on it and wait a bit. So you see, and it's connected straight away and we can start using it. So as easy as that. Also, if you click on the info button here, you see you can also change the device type of it and also forget it as well. Even change the name of it as well if needed. Okay, so yeah, when it comes to the limitations, however, we actually can't customize these earphones when we connect to iPhone, for example, compared to a Samsung phone where we can customize them. So for example, this is what they look like when you connect it to a Samsung phone. So you see we can customize the noise cancellation, change earbud controls, voice controls. Again, those things simply won't work on them. Yeah, if you pair to iPhone, and we have tons of different cool features here. But again, so to use them, again, you can't get them on iPhone. For iPhone, really, you can simply listen to music. Obviously, you can also use the touch controls. They work, but that's about it. Good luck.